Ladies and gents, welcome back. It's another busy day here. So, we got the Bultaco back up on the lift, and I'm really excited about that, and that's going to be awesome. I also threw a seat cover on the 250SX. I'll show you that. So, yeah, this came out pretty good. I only have one little issue with it, and that was not the seat cover, but my stapler is not quite strong enough to staple it down, but it fits pretty good. It's got, I tried to smooth that out there, but man, it's a little tough. Overall though, looks pretty good. Tomorrow I'll go get a new stapler, and well, it's not the stapler, it's actually the staples keep bending, but we'll figure it out. Like I said, got the Bultaco up on the lift, and first things first, we're gonna do the steering head bearings, gonna knock out the old races, put new races in, and then start on this front end. I'm having real concerns with the front end. These are different sizes, and this is the front axle, same size, little spacer action, but I think that's bigger. So we're gonna have to just put it together and see what we're working with, I guess. Well, boys and girls, I think it's about as far as we're gonna get tonight, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. But just started test fitting things, trying to figure out where spacers go, and what really took the longest was this front end. I had to clean up the caps, do a little repolishing. You know, this is kind of a show bike, so everything has to look perfect, and that's the way I like it. I prefer to build bikes that look better than what they did when they were new, because honestly, factory restorations are kind of boring. But anyways, let's pick back up tomorrow. Alrighty, we are making progress. I got the rear wheel on, just seeing how everything goes. You know, I got this bike in boxes, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to put together than if I had taken it apart myself. Also, I've never had a Bultaco before, so everything's new, but it seems to be going together pretty good. I'm gonna try to get the front wheel on and make this thing a roller. We'll go from there, I guess. Alright, so going to put the front end together and running into a definite obstacle. This is the axle that I got from Hughes, and you can see that this side is awfully large, and I thought maybe that fit in like that, but I don't know, too much play big time. I also don't have a spacer for right here, so I guess we're gonna have to make one. And this side has a smaller hole, which fits a little bit better with this, but still, that's too loose. Like, that's not gonna work. For now, I'm going to put it together so I can move forward, but that is definitely something that we're going to have to address. I'll do a little bit of shopping on eBay and see what's available, but bummer. At least the back wheel seems to have pretty much everything we need. I got to get the bolts for the sprocket there, but yeah. Ooh, another piece that I need to get is a piece that goes from this tab here and allows the brake to function. Alright, ladies and gents, we made some progress today. Nothing too crazy, but reassembly, you know, takes time because every part has to be super clean, super polished, looking good. Ran into several issues. Like I said before, the front axle. I found the steering stops, but this is a different front end, and these chingaderases don't work with that, but the stop's down here, and there's no holes or anything like that there. I'm thinking that this front end might be wrong, but we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work one way or another. You know, we got access to a little making things work machine, and I happen to know somebody that knows how to use it. Not me, but I do know somebody. Alright guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here. Finger fudge the like button, all that good stuff. We're going to get after it tomorrow, so we'll see you then.